Now I am going to explain about divisibility rule for 2 powers and special prime numbers. Two powers and special prime numbers below 20. So let's take 2 powers. What are 2 powers? 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64 and so on. So if last digit is divisible by 2, then that number is divisible by 2. If last 2 digits are divisible by 4, then that number is divisible by 4. If last 3 digits are divisible by 8, then that number is divisible by 8. If last 4 digits are divisible by 16, then that number is divisible by 16. Let's take example. 16, let's put 5 here. This is divisible by 16 because last 4 digits are divisible by 16. So let's check this. 5, 1, 6, 1, 6, divisible by 16. Divisible by 16. So that is the formula. But you need to identify the last digits are divisible by 16 or not. Thus this list goes on. If last 5 digits are divisible by 32, then that number is divisible by 32. Okay. Now let's see the divisibility rule for prime numbers. So for prime numbers, special prime numbers 7, 13, 17, 19. Divisibility rule for 7. Let's remember -2 as the formula here. Here -2 means you have to multiply the last digit of that number into 2 and subtract that multiplied number with the remaining number. You have to keep continuing that till you find whether that number, the output of that operation is divisible by 7 or not. Let's take example of 343. Here last digit is 3. 3 into 2 minus 34 minus 34 equal to 28. 28 is actually divisible by 7. So it is divisible by 7. So divisibility rule for 13. You have to remember +4 here. Let's take 169 here. Divide the 9 in, multiply 9 into 4 and add that number with the 16. So 9 4s are 36. plus 16 is equal to 52. Let's continue this operation again. 2 into 4 plus 5 equal to 30. So 169 is divisible by 30. So let's see the divisibility rule for 17. 17 is actually minus 5. Let's see. Yeah, minus 5. Let's take example of 34. Yeah, multiply 4 with 5 and subtract the remaining number is 3. That is 20 minus 3 equal to 17. So 34 is divisible by 17. Let's see the formula for 19. So here formula for 19 is plus 2. So let's take the example is here 38. 38 means 8 into 2 plus 3, that is 16 plus 3 equal to 19. So this is the divisibility rule. You just need to remember minus 2 plus 4 for 13 and minus 5 for 17 plus 2 for 19. That's all. Thank you.